rewind?
Rewind, fast forward, or
Ano bang question? Well,
pause, fast forward, or rewind?
I think that we would always want to choose to rewind stuff and change parts of our experiences or our past where we made mistakes. Pero siguro rewind na lang, tapos rewind ko pagka labas ni Kim ng PBB. Tapos, hindi ba't nakagad ako galing GMA ko na?
I remember the first time I saw you, the way your smile lit up the room. With every step I knew I'd fall, but I never knew how far I'd go. And now we're here, just you and me. Our hearts beat the same melody. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. As long as you're here, I'll fly forever in your eyes. I see the world is shining bright. With you, my love, I'll always rise. In your arms, I'll find the light. Oh, forever in your eyes.
Noong ako ay nilapitan mo, tinanong kung ano ang pangalan ko. Nabighani agad itong puso na love at first sight sa'yo.
Kim, ikaw naman, do you still remember that first day you saw Paolo on screen?
Bulong ko lang din.
Ano ba? Hindi ba tayo mag-bully? Hindi ba Do you remember that?
First time,
Yeah.
ay, alam ko yung ball.
Oh.
I think yung ball, oh.
Okay, ano impression mo sa kanya?
Yung Star Magic Ball pa nun. Ball, na first time ko siyang nakita, tsaka first time siyang pinakilala sa akin. Nandun kami sa after party event.
Anong impression mo?
Tahimik lang siya talaga sa gilid, kasi hindi talaga siya nagsasalita. Hindi pa nga lang siya kinakausap kasi ayoko na rin na makipag-usap sa tao, hindi naman nasagot. Kaya hindi pa ako ganun kadaldal dati.
Tayong nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang.
The only place I'll ever be, as long as I'm with you tonight. I know I'm where I'm meant to be. Every touch feels like the first time. Every word a perfect rhyme. When I'm with you, nothing feels wrong.
Tagalog muna yan. Tagalog muna yan. Lasing, lasing. Boss!
every word a perfect rhyme. It was like at first sight, my future in your eyes. I love you now, and I'll love you more. Every day that I got to be yours must have done something right, 'cause God put you by my side, to have and to hold, to work great and old. Oh, when I saw you, I saw my whole life at first sight. I know I'm where I'm meant to be. Every touch feels like